Prepare materials and tools. Clean glass surface. Spray a little water evenly on the position of double-sided tape. Cover the front protective film of lead film. Stick on glass in the plant position. Ensure both ends are flat. Open power box, remove the lower shell, transcode plate, and upper shell. Put flat cable into the lower shell of the power box. Secure the lower shell to the window frame. Connect transcoder boards and modules. Lock the transcode board to copper pillars of lower shells. Insert signal cable into port of network, transcode board. Plug power supply DC end into transcode board DC end. Plug in the AC end of the adjacent power supply. Organize cable, close upper and lower should. Signal cable connected to net opening of the player. AC cable insert electric box. Note: this video is for installation scheme reference only. Actual project construction should comply with local regulations and regulations safety code for electricity use.